Hey, I'm Shanta Flowers, and I live life in the bling lane. I am a mommy to an amazing little 3-year-old. He just turned 3. His name is Chancellor. I'm a wife to a really awesome husband as well, who's also my business partner. I'm a health and fitness coach, a blogger. I volunteer at my church. I'm a philanthropist. I am a Jill of all trades. I like to do a lot of things. Fitness enthusiast, fashion enthusiast, whatever it is, you name it. If it's sparkly, pink, and girly, I like it. I used to think that there wasn't really anything out there for me, that there wasn't anything that I was really good at, anything that I really had a specific gifting about, until I understood that inspiring and encouraging people is a gift, and that you can actually make money from the things that you're passionate about. You can make a profit from your passion. Isn't that the craziest thing? And ever since I learned that, there's been no turning back. I have made helping people, listening to people, talking to people, teaching people, inspiring people, encouraging people, and giving people my opinion and income. So it's been pretty amazing. It's an amazing ride. And I want you to know that you can do that too. Whatever you're passionate about, whoever you are, you can make an entire brand, an entire income off of just being you, doing what you are good at. Don't let anybody tell you any different. Reach out to me if you ever need me. I'm always here to answer any of your questions. I love talking to everybody. As you can see, I'm not shy. So reach out to me if you can. It's so good to meet you. Come over to Empowered Moms. Give us a holler. Talk to you soon. Bye.